This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at the XEA202 register, and in particular we're looking at putting sales through departments 17 to 50. So on the machine you've got your 16 sales departments here, 16 categories of sale which you may have programmed to be bread, milk, MOT, fuel, whatever it is. And obviously using those is dead easy. You simply type the price and then hit the appropriate button. But what about all your departments on the machine that come after numbers 1 to 16? There's two ways of registering these. There's a department shift key which will allow you to access departments 17 to 32. That's dead easy to use. Again, you type in the price, then you hit the shift button, and then to get department 28, for example, you press this button here, and that's put the $9.99 into department 28. Just repeat that procedure. It's the price, then shift, and then the appropriate button, and that's how to access departments 17 to 32. If you've got departments beyond that, 33 to 50 on this machine, then this is where the department hash button comes in. It works slightly differently. You type in the department number to start with. So for department 49, 49, then you press the DEPT hash key, then you type in the price of the sale, and then you confirm it by pressing DEPT hash again. So we've got $4.99 assigned to department 49. I'll just run through that again. You type in the department number, so for department 50, 50, then you hit the DEPT hash, then you type in the value of the sale, and then you confirm with DEPT hash. You then, just like any other department sale, you then carry on entering the other items in the sale, subtotal, and then cash off using the appropriate method of payment. We can see there on the receipt we've had all the departments processed correctly. Hope that video has been helpful. We've got other videos appearing on the 202 which you're welcome to check out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.